All right, so check this out. New iMac, right? 24-inch model. Got it. Love it. Everything about this iMac is awesome. The color, everything. Okay, and it's time to go set this up, right? So the first thing I want to do is I grab my go-to microphone. And you know what? I feel on the back of my computer and I'm like, what's going on here? Something's missing on this iMac. I reach around the back of the iMac, feeling for a USB-A port, and you know, the standard rectangular one, and I'm feeling it, and then I actually turn the Mac around, and what do I see? Guess what do I see? 4 USB-C ports. That's it. Only 4. Really? I have an external hard drive. That's a USB-A. I have SD cards. Really, Apple? 4 USB-C ports? So my next thought is, okay, Apple makes everything, right? So they must have a sleek, color-matched external hub for this, right? So I went online, apple.com, searched, and guess what? Nothing. Zip. Zero. They just give you the bare minimum and say, good luck, guys. But I'm determined to find something that will work. I'm not gonna let this stop me. I searched high and low and finally found this little gem. And honestly, it's a lifesaver. And surprisingly, Apple didn't make this. It's got everything I need. It has 3 USB-A ports, a Type-C port, and an SD card slot. It's sleek, it matches the iMac's aesthetics, and most importantly, it makes this beautiful computer actually look like it's a part of it. That's an amazing invention. What's up, guys? Welcome to Onourshelf, and this right here is what I'm gonna call the Lifesaver Hub, or the new iMac. Check this out. We're gonna call this little green thing the Lifesaver. I also wanted to point out that this company makes other colors that match the iMac. So for example, if you got the blue iMac, you can find a blue hub, etc. That's really awesome. It's green, it matches the iMac perfectly. It's an aluminum design. Here's the bottom. Here's a compartment for your SSD. We're putting a 2 terabyte card in there. Here are some grips at the bottom. They feel nice and rubbery. It has a USB-C cord. All right, here are the ports. You have one SSD indicator, you have a TF and an SD card slot. So you have a total of 3 USB-As and a USB-C port. Now we're gonna put this SD card in there. It comes with this thermal silicone strap and some screws and a screwdriver. The SSD is not included. And voila, the Lifesaver is ready to be set up on my desktop. Now I could hook up my microphone and all that other good stuff. So yeah, I'm just smiling from ear to ear. And if you just bought one of these gorgeous new iMacs and are wondering where are all your ports, do yourself a favor. Don't wait for Apple to catch up and grab yourself one of these. It's an absolute game changer. If this video helped your iMac's port problem, please hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. For more information on this product, I will put an Amazon affiliate link down below. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.